The 2007 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.